It's, yep. Let's take it off. Of course, I'm gonna take it off. Flip it back. Because the button's easier to press it.
Oh, okay.
It's a lot easier to press like this.
Sure is.
Because it has to press on this, and that's harder to press, so that's why it's not as easy to press. Is it refilling anymore?
I'm listening. No. Wow. I didn't need to do that. It's kind of cool.
I wanted to do that because I didn't want anyone to come in, because that's the loudest part.
Okay, and then it says September 21st,
2007, just like the other one. The other one's also a 2007. Cool.
Nice. Okay.
Cool. Let me turn this over. Now it's ready to put back on. It's a nice toilet. Mansfield.
Yeah.
I think
it's a nice toilet.
Do you think it's a good or bad one?
I thought it flushed well. I do like the vintage toilets better, but I do like this.
I like the vintage one better, but it's a rare one. But this is kind of like common, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna film it. Let's put this. There, I think it's unsnug. There, it's unsnug. Let's take a view of the side.
I got one.
I said that quick because I wasn't sure if they're gonna stop it.
Yeah.
Look, you can see it's a Mansfield.